In today's digital age, credit management scams and frauds have become increasingly prevalent in India. These scams can cause significant financial losses and damage to your credit score. To avoid falling victim to these scams, it's essential to stay informed and take the necessary precautions. Here are some tips on how to avoid scams and fraud related to credit management in India. Be cautious of unsolicited calls or emails. Scammers often use unsolicited calls or emails to offer credit management services. They may claim to be from a legitimate financial institution, but their ultimate goal is to steal your personal and financial information. Be cautious of these calls and emails and always verify the identity of the caller before sharing any sensitive information. Do your research. Before working with any credit management service, do your research. Check their credentials, read reviews, and verify their accreditation with relevant regulatory bodies. This will help you identify any red flags and make an informed decision. Protect your personal information. Never share your personal or financial information with anyone you don't trust. This includes your credit card number, bank account details, and any other sensitive information. Scammers can use this information to steal your identity and commit financial fraud. Watch out for too good to be true offers. Scammers often use unrealistic promises or too good to be true offers to lure unsuspecting individuals into their trap. If an offer seems too good to be true, it probably is. Always use your common sense and approach these offers with caution. Monitor your credit report. Regularly monitor your credit report for any suspicious activity or unauthorized accounts. If you notice any discrepancies, report them immediately to the relevant authorities. Report any suspicious activity. If you suspect that you have been a victim of a credit management scam or fraud, report it immediately to the relevant authorities. This includes the police, the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, and the Credit Information Bureau of India, CIBIL. In conclusion, credit management scams and frauds are a serious threat to your financial well-being. By staying informed and taking the necessary precautions, you can protect yourself from falling victim to these scams. Always be cautious of unsolicited calls or emails, do your research, protect your personal information, watch out for too good to be true offers, monitor your credit report, and report any suspicious activity immediately. By following these tips, you can stay safe and secure in your credit management activities in India.